to use NotebookLM. So first you need to search for NotebookLM in Google. You'll get into a page like this. There you need to click on try NotebookLM and it will take you to this where you can create your own notebook. For creating your own notebook, click on this and you will reach into a blank space. There you can, this needs to be from web or your drive. You can give if the files that you want to add into NotebookLM is in your drive, you can give the drive link, files from the drive. So this is basically your Google Drive, that from where you have logged in your Google email ID, or else you can upload the files. So I have uploaded the files. I didn't give any drive links. I've pre-downloaded all the modules from ICI portal BOS, and also I have added other if you want you can add other PDFs that you have for concept book or question bank or anything as such. So you place that everything in a single folder and select all of this and then click open, and it will get uploaded here. Once it is uploaded, you have the option to whether to give for fast research or you can take both for each response that you want. Another thing that you have to do is you have the option to customize. So NotebookLM just by doesn't actually get you the results that you want. What you need to do is to go to Gemini. You go to Gemini and ask Gemini to give you a prompt. Like if I say I need a prompt to put in NotebookLM, anything like this. So I have already created a prompt like that for IDT. So you click on these three dots, you go to customize notebook, and there you have the option to set custom notebook summary. Otherwise it refreshes every time you open. So whenever you close this and you open it back, the NotebookLM refreshes itself and it forgets whatever you have asked previously and will start giving you random responses. So to avoid that, I've created a prompt like this by asking Gemini to create a prompt for me as to what I want from NotebookLM. So for here I want NotebookLM to explain and summarize all the IDT modules and the last mile revision Saransh book that I've uploaded in this. And then what is my objective? So all this entire thing is from Gemini. I read it once and I made changes here and there which was not sitting well with me. That's up to you to whether to change it or not. If it works better for you, then it is fine, you can use it. If it is not, then you can change it according to your wish. If you are using it for revision only, then you can give that this you should act as a revision person, and you're doing it for revising the entire module. And that's how you can create a prompt using Gemini and then copy paste that to here, and it's done. And also there is another configuration that you need to do, is whether you need to put it as learning guide, or you can also give custom, where you can give this the prompt that you've given in the Gemini, you can add it here also. There are 10,000 words that you can put, or you can put it as just as learning guide and it will help you learn as such. I have put it as learning guide. It has helped me the way that I wanted, and you can choose the response length as shorter, longer, or default. I put it as a default, where I'm giving it very good responses. So I asked to explain what is section what is the section 54 read with rule 89 for IDT, and gave me what is the application process, what the time limit and relevant date is, what is the need for this particular section, why it is required, and that's where it is explaining me what is unjust enrichment and evidence. then what is the situation for the refund, and what are the calculation formula is based on these two sections. And it asks us whether you want to know the relevant date. It gives us the questions which we are expecting, which the notebook thinks that we are expecting. Otherwise, you can ask other questions also. I asked what is this larger context of levy and collection, gave me a long reply to that. I asked what is a specific relevant date for the particular scenario, and gave me relevant date as to which is the question that was asked here. What is a specific relevant date? Because I wanted to know what it was, and gave me what it is for every other section or every other thing from what is deemed export. This is actually I used for import export question. It was what is deemed export, what is judgment or orders, what is professional assessments, and whatnot. So I could ask anything and it will give me a summary, a response that is very easy for me to understand and revise. Also, you have the option to make an audio overview of the entire thing, or you can select one particular item. I want an audio overview of supply alone. So it will show you one source is being selected, and you can click an overview and it will give you an overview. Video overview is not that good, so I don't suggest using that. What I use mostly is flashcards, mind map, and overview. Audio overview, this helps you very much. In audio overview, you have the option to ask questions in between that audio overview, and it would be very easy for you to understand. It's like two people discussing what supply is, and you will understand it much better. So this is how you can use NotebookLM, and I hope this helps people who want to study fast and who have less time to revise, who has less time to get everything done in very little time. So hope this helps everyone, and all the best for your future exams. Thank you.